Step 1. Restart your PS5. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix connection issues. Go to the power options on your PS5 and select Restart PS5. This can clear up any temporary glitches preventing you from joining games. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Next, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. Head to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection. If your connection is unstable, try resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 3. Verify your game version. Ensure that you and your friend are running the same version of Minecraft. Incompatibility between game versions is a common reason for not being able to join games. Step 4. Update Minecraft. If there's a version mismatch, update your game. Go to Games Apps, find Minecraft, press the Options button, and select Check for Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 5. Review your privacy settings. Sometimes privacy settings can prevent you from joining friends' games. Navigate to Settings, Users and Accounts, and Privacy. Make sure your settings allow you to join multiplayer games and that you're not accidentally blocking invites. Step 6. Check your friends list. Check your in-game friends list to make sure your friend's game is set to online and not invite only. If it's invite only, ask for an invite or have them change the game settings to allow friends to join.